how to change your user account name on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to update your account name using all the available methods on your PC. First, click on the Start button and go to Settings. From there, click on Accounts. At this point, click on Your Info. From there, if your account is linked to Microsoft, click on Manage My Microsoft Account. This will open in your browser. After that, sign in if prompted and click on Your Info from the Microsoft account page. In the next step, click on Edit Name. From there, enter your new first and last name and click on Save. Once done, restart your PC for the new name to fully apply across Windows. Following this, if you are using a local account instead, click on the Start button and search for Control Panel. From there, click on User Accounts, and then click on User Accounts again. At this stage, click on Change Your Account Name. From there, type in the new name and click on Change Name to confirm. Keep in mind, changing your account name through Settings or Control Panel only updates the display name, while renaming through Command Prompt changes the actual username and may require you to log out and back in for the change to take effect. Finally, restart your PC and confirm your new account name is showing correctly on the login screen and Start menu. And that's it. If this guide helped you change your user account name on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.